Hey y'all, it's Brittaineayy, and I have a new product I want to show you. It is self-tanning lotion, but for the body. This is in medium tan, and I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this, but I'm gonna try to pronounce it as best as I can. KENMILER, I'm assuming. I have trouble saying words sometimes, but it looks like an easy word, but it also is jammed together, so I don't know. Anyways, it has Centinella Asiatica extract. Okay, if you can see that. And, okay, and then these are the ingredients that is in there. You can also find this on Amazon. I'm a big lover of Amazon and used to work with different brands for Amazon. I'm looking for my tweezers right now because every single time I have trouble opening up packages. So anyways, I love Amazon, and that's where I used to have like Amazon people send me stuff and everything so I could test out for y'all. And that is exactly what this is. So I'm not normally like a person who like tans. I'm a redhead. I burn when I tan. But I've always kind of just wondered. Okay, my accent coming out now. But I've always kind of wondered like what I would look like with a tan type of thing, whatever. If I could tan, being that I have red hair and not really sure whether or not it would even look good on me, but okay, I'm gonna go closer for y'all to see that. And then there is 200 grams in here. I'm assuming that's what it says. Okay, so I've already shaved my legs and prepped my legs because I'm gonna do it on my legs. And then see how well it looks on my legs compared to like my arms and all that, because like the top of my arm's somewhat like tannish, but then like the bottom of my arm's like really white, and so my legs are super duper white. I'm gonna start with my legs and then we'll see. But anyways, directions: cleansing and exfoliate. Oh my gosh, exfoliate. Okay, you know what I mean, but I cannot say. And I can hear it in my head and I can't say it out loud. Anyways, clean your skin and make sure all the grit is gone. Okay. Smooth onto skin as you would a normal body lotion, rubbing in circular motions. Use sparingly around the ankles, knees, and elbows. I guess because that's like where your cracks and all that is, so you don't want like so much built up there. Avoid contact with water for a few hours. Wait until it dries completely before getting dressed. Allow 4 hours before showering to reveal your developed tan. Wash your hands thoroughly after use, and then use daily until you have achieved the desired level of tan, and then apply 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, so, with this, it's a whole step. Anyways, okay. So, I guess you could use like one of those like little pad things, but I don't have one. It didn't come in the box either. But it did say you can use your hands. So we're going to switch to the bathroom, and you're going to be set up on a tripod and hope that you can see everything. Now that we're in the bathroom, you should only need to see my leg. I don't think you can see my face, so we're going to open the foil first. Okay, there's some foil that I cannot get off. Okay, we're making progress. Oh my jeez. I always forget that like products have foil and all that. So anyways, now that we have that open, I'm gonna take my ring off. I don't think that would be great to get all the ring, but I'm gonna start off with that amount and then see where it gets me. I'm just gonna literally like do the bottom of my legs, so I probably should do my feet, but I'm just like, I really wanted just to test it in the legs, so. use a little less product for the next side. It smells good though, so I guess like that's a good thing. And mind you, like, I wear boots everywhere, so technically, you probably won't even be able to see the bottom half of my leg whenever it's tan, but okay, I'm gonna wash this stuff off. So we're gonna wait for it to dry, and then I will come back. I believe it said give it 4 hours of drying time, and then wash it off. So yeah, I'm gonna do some other videos in the meantime. You may or may not be able to see the difference until you get to my ankles. I forgot to do my feet, so you can for sure see a difference. So I'm the only person recording, so it's kind of hard to see, but yeah.